Hello students, in this video we will discuss about finding the distance between any given two points in Cartesian plane and what will be formula and how to find that formula by which we can find the distance between two points in the Cartesian plane. Our topic is distance formula. Definition of distance formula is by which formula we can find the distance between any two given points in the Cartesian plane is known as distance formula. Let P and Q, P means x1, y1 and Q, x2, y2 are 2 points in a plane. Find distance between P and Q, that means find PQ, means distance between P and Q. For this we are going to derive the formula for finding the distance between any two points. Now first make Cartesian plane x, O and y. This is the point P, so let this is the point P whose coordinate are x1, y1 and this is the point Q whose coordinates are x2 and y2. We want to find the distance between PQ. Distance between PQ. For this, we should draw the perpendicular from P on x-axis and from Q on y-axis. This will be PM and this will be QN. Now, as you know that OM is the x coordinate of P point, that means this will be x1 from O to M. Coordinate of origin is 0, 0 and PM equal to, this is the coordinate of y coordinate of that point from x axis, that means PM will be y1. Now for Q point, x2 is the distance of N from origin, that means from O to N is the x2 and Qn is the y coordinate of Q point, that means Qn is the y2. This is the distance of N to Q. And y1 is the distance of P to M. Again, draw a perpendicular from P on QN and denote this point is R. Now, ON equal to x2, since ON equal to x2 and OM equal to x1. Therefore, MN equal to PR, both are same, PR equal to QN minus ON, that is x2 minus x1. Q1 equal to x2 minus Mn equal to PR equal to ON minus OM. So ON equal to x2 and OM equal to x1. This is the distance between M and N or PR equal to. Now we can find RQ. For RQ, since NQ equal to Y2 and MP equal to Y1, therefore QR equal to Q1 minus PM, because if PM equal to Y1, then NR equal to also Y1. This will be also Y1. MP equal to NR. That means Q1 equal to Y2 and PM means NR equal to Y1. This is the distance between Q and R. Now we can find here QR equal to, that means this is the QR and distance between Q and R is Y2 minus Y1, and PR equal to here X2 minus X1. Now we want to find the length of PQ, means distance between P and Q. This angle is 90 degree because from P we have drawn the perpendicular from a perpendicular on QN. So in triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem, PQ, that means hypotenuse square of hypotenuse is equal to square of perpendicular, means QR square plus square of base, means PR square. Now QR square equal to, QR is the Y2 minus Y1 whole square plus PR equal to X2 minus X1 whole square. Or we can write this X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. If you are taking square root on both sides, then PQ square convert into the PQ equal to root under, taking square root on both sides, X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. This formula is known as distance formula, and with the help of this formula we can find the distance between